Alright, so today I'm going to be syncing up the Kwikset Aura smart lock. Right now I'm logged into the Kwikset app, and you can see I have no locks on here whatsoever, and I'm just going to follow the instructions exactly as it says here on the guide. So the first thing is I want to click the lock plus sign here on the top right. I'm going to click that. It's going to say, hey, make sure that I'm connected to the internet, which I am. Turn on your Bluetooth, got it, and then remove the back cover. All right, I have removed the back cover. I'm going to click the next button, and it's going to say, click the A button for 3 seconds. So we'll hold it, 1, 2, 3. All right, and I'm going to release when I hear that beep. So I did that, and there you go. So I click the next button, and now it's showing the lock. So I'm going to click on the lock, and I hear a beep letting me know that it's registered. So did it make a sound? Yep, I heard a sound. All right. I heard another beep right there. It says to name the lock. So we're just going to go ahead and name it lock, and we'll submit it. I guess hit the submit button. Oh, name already in use. So we'll do lock 1. Alrighty, name has been changed. Oh, and I guess I have to go to the home page now. All right, so it looks like I got the lock loaded up here. It is shown in a lock state. So what I'll do is I'll just click this unlock button to unlock it, and that'll unlock the door, sending a command. You'll see it's at 100% battery, set up with Bluetooth. If you guys have any questions or issues on this, leave a comment. Or if you have any other ideas for videos, let me know. It's the Smart Home Helper. Please like, subscribe, and look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks, guys.